everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. I'm so excited you could join us today. It's Monday, which means it's Casing the Catalog Monday. Now, my inspiration I found on page 9 in the celebration brochure. Now, any of the supplies that I use in today's video, you can find it down in the description. And if you click on that, that's going to head you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. So I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. Now, before we flip the camera, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so by hitting that red subscribe button down below. You can also hit that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Either way, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell that pops up. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started. So this is the card we will be creating today. Super cute card. And this is where I got the inspiration from. And I kind of switched it up a little bit. So we're going to change up the colors a little bit on our card today. For today's card, we're going to do it in the Daffodil Delight. And I have this piece cut at 4 1/4 by 11. And it's scored and folded at 5 1/2. I have another piece of Daffodil Delight, and this piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and that's for the inside of the card. And then I went ahead and I ran this through my Big Shot with the stitched shaped framelits, and I used the second to largest square. So for the front of our card, I'm going to do some tone-on-tone stamping. I have my butterfly image. And I'm just going to stamp some butterflies. Like so. The stamp set I'm using today is the Butterfly Gala, and when you bundle these two together, you save 10%. We love to save. For my butterflies today, this is actually the Botanical Butterflies DSP. And what I did was, I took my paper snips and I cut out all these butterflies. You can see here I cut them out. And then what I did was I punched them with the punch. Now, the reason why I cut it first was because I didn't want all the little butterflies. I didn't want to waste. So that's why I cut the paper first and then punched them out to get my butterflies. So, I have my square piece here. I got my Memento ink, and I'm going to stamp Hello Beautiful, just like so. On my Whisper White piece, this is for my inside, I am going to stamp Thank You So Much, so very much. I'm going to stamp my butterflies. I have a mask that I'm going to use, and I've got my sponge daubers, and I ran out of sponge daubers, so I just have a Stampin' sponge. I have some Calypso Coral ink and some Daffodil Delight, and all I'm going to do is color my butterflies. Okay, I have some multi-purpose liquid glue. Look what I did. Let me do that again. Okay. So all I did was I alternated the colors when I colored that in. I had to flip it over because I made a mistake. We love when that happens. So I'm just going to add this to the inside of my card. I went and made my own stamp, you guys. I love it. Before I forget, stamp the back of my card. Cool, huh? What do you guys think? I love it. Came out quite cute. Okay, so then we are going to, I have block E. I have my flax ribbon, and all you're going to do is you're going to pull some strands out. You can pull as many as you want. And all I'm going to do is tie a bow around my block. I'm now going to add this to my card. Like so. I'm going to attach this piece with some dimensionals. I have my punched out butterflies, and I'm going to come in with my glue dots and just randomly add my butterflies all over. Such a pretty card, you guys. And then I just came with the adhesive back sequins and some rhinestones, and I randomly added these little flowers everywhere. Now it's hard to see. What did I do with my original? See, it tone on tone didn't go. Oh well, that's good. And then I added the rhinestone on top of the flower. But then I also randomly added rhinestones all over just to finish it off. And then I attached this to the card. How pretty, you guys. Where's my glue? Oh, my glue. Oh. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. I hope you'll join me back here on Wednesday. I've got a super cute project to share for Easter. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to join you back here on Wednesday. We'll see you then. Take care.